Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken ragu and I'm using chicken breast because it's contain not much fats, and I will not be using any oil in this recipe. The ingredients you will need are 3 pounds of tomato sauce, 5 carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 potatoes, 3 pounds of chicken breast, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and 3 tablespoons of roasted peanut. Now that we've finished prepping, let's start cooking. First, place your pot onto the stove. Heat it up. Since we're not using oil, we'll be using tomato paste on the bottom, and then add your garlic. After your garlic, add your chicken, salt, sugar, and chicken powder. Stir it well. And let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir it well. Now add in your carrots and your potatoes. Your black pepper. And your peanuts. And all your tomato sauce. Stir it well and let it cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add in your tomatoes and onions. Stir it well. And let it cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the ragu are cooked. Now it's time to serve. Here's a bowl of chicken ragu. Enjoy!